case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In an icy twist of irony, Pamela Walker, who slipped on a snow-laden parking lot and fractured her leg, was prohibited from suing for damages on the grounds of assuming a known risk. Pinned against her was a neglected tenet of negligence law, the assumption of risk doctrine. The case, Morgan State University v. Walker, became a linchpin decision in Maryland's judiciary when the Court of Appeals of Maryland led the charge in throwing the spotlight back on the less explored aspect of personal injury law. In response to her injury, Walker filed a negligence lawsuit against Morgan State University, MSU, the owners of the ice-smothered parking lot where the accident occurred. She argued that MSU had not adequately maintained their premises, thereby causing her mishap. The circuit court sided with MSU, giving prominence to the objective measure of the assumption of risk. Had Walker knowingly exposed herself to a potentially harmful situation? However, the road took a sharp turn when the Court of Special Appeals reversed the circuit court's decision. They argued that the jury should decide whether or not Walker's perilous traverse equated to a voluntary decision. Outcome: a heated debate ensues between MSU and the Court of Appeal. Both sides vehemently argued for the correctness of the circuit court's original decision and the alleged error made by the Court of Appeal, respectively. Then, alas, the Court of Appeals of Maryland spoke, placing the final puzzle piece. The court ruled that the doctrine of assumption of risk should indeed be evaluated objectively, focusing intensely on Walker's cognizance of the icy hazards and her willing decision to, notwithstanding the risks, navigate the icy parking lot. The circuit court, it was then declared, had grounded their decision accurately. The Court of Appeals reversed the intervention of the Court of Special Appeals and hurled the case back down the judicial ladder, insisting on compliance with the circuit court's original decision. The conclusion? The defense of assumption of risk was vigorously applied, mercilessly barring Walker from recovering the damages she sought. This eminent decision established that individuals willingly undertaking known dangerous courses of action must bear the consequences, thereby relieving the risk causer from any obligations. The court's edict compelled Walker to pay for the costs of both courts, a chilling reminder of Maryland's chilly twist on risk assumption.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.